Right, we actually need to prove that 0 is an even number. Are the numbers 0, -2, -4, -6, etc. even numbers or not? Okay, so we prepare the solution or a solution to this particular question, but we prepare in a step-by-step manner. Right, now first things first, we note that we're going to first prove that 0 is an even number. So we're proving that. Right, we are proving that 0 is an even number. In which case, then, we need to remember two things, that when we have even numbers, right, when you have even numbers, the even numbers are numbers of the form 2k, where k is an element of the set of integers. But also you have odd numbers. Right now, the odd numbers are of the form n equals 2k plus 1, like so, where k is an element of the set of integers. Okay, now, what do we do? And how do we proceed from here? Right, in proving that 0 is an even number, we proceed as follows. Okay, since 0 is an integer, either 0 is odd or even. Either 0 is odd or even. Thus, if 0 is odd, for instance, it follows that 0 is 2k plus 1, can be written in that form. Or if 0 is an even number, it means therefore that 0 is equal to 2k. Right, so what is this? But we understand that in each case, k is an element of the set of integers. So which means that -1 is 2k. Or it means, therefore, if you have 2k, like so, and at this point here, you can write -1 equals 2k, divide the left and the right by 2, meaning 1/2 is 2k. And the conclusion, therefore, at this point is that what we have here is that k equals -1/2. But this -1/2 is not an integer. Whereas on the other side, we have that 0 is equal to k, which means that k equals 0, and 0 is an element of the set of integers, like so. Now, because k is equal to -1/2 is not an integer, hence 0 is an even number. Hence 0 is an even number. Okay, so we've proven that 0 is an even number. It remains to show, to determine. So the next question we're answering is, are the numbers or the numbers 0, -2, -4, -6, and so on, even numbers. Right or not? Okay, we consider a couple of cases, obviously. We first note that even numbers are of the form n equals 2k. We note that even numbers are of the form n equals 2k, where k is an integer, like so. Case 1, if k is 0, it means therefore 2 into 0 is equal to 0. And it means therefore that 0 itself is it is indeed an integer, but most importantly, we can say that this implies that 0 is an even number. If k is -1, we get -2, and that means that implies that -2 is an even number. Why is -2 an even number? Well, it is an even number because it can be written in the form 2 times an integer. Okay, now we proceed. Also, if k is -2, which is -4, and that means that -4 is an even number. If k is -3, -6, it means that -6 is an even number, and so on. Hence, the numbers 0, -2, -4, -6 are even numbers. Or even numbers. Right. And so we have solved these particular questions in detail. We have shown that the numbers 0, -2, -4, -6, and so on are even numbers. And now we have also here went on to show that 0 itself is actually an even number. Right, so now obviously in case of these numbers here, we can have a general statement. Right, so thus it follows that for k being an element of the set of integers, n equals 2k is an even number for all k in the integers. Okay. Right, so we are done. Because thus it follows that for k in the integers, or k in element of the set of z, or of the set z of integers, n equals 2k. K, an element of the set of integers, is an even number for all k in the set of integers. Okay, we have solved this problem in detail and we are done. Thanks everybody for your time and attention, and goodbye to you.